This is the Eisbecher D5 250mm pump reservoir combo, and in the event that you need to disassemble this pump reservoir combo, either due to maintenance or having an issue with the fluid or anything like that, I will show you how to take apart this reservoir piece by piece and clean it. So you can start by obviously removing it from your water cooling setup and make sure that you get most of the water out. And then what you'll need to do is, if you need to, separate the brackets just to make it easier to get into the holes, the screws that are holding in the D5 pump. But what we'll do is we'll start with the top here. All you need to do is obviously unscrew the top when that comes out, and what you'll need to do is inspect the O-ring. The O-ring is vital to making sure that nothing leaks. So if you have any rips or tears, they do sell replacement O-rings. The next part will be to separate the cylinder, the actual reservoir cylinder of it, 250mm part. And that just comes right off just like that. Boom. Then next part will be the fountain tube, and basically you'll just kind of wiggle and twist and it will come out. It'll also come out with the plate that's on the bottom here, which is supposed to prevent bubbles inside of the reservoir. So as the tube comes off, same with the plate. And then you'll see that you have an O-ring that's on the outside and then two O-rings that are in the inside. It's good to inspect the O-rings that are in the inside, you know, just to make sure that they're working as they should, as well as the O-ring on the outside. Now what we'll do is take off the brackets and then remove the pump. Now that the brackets are removed from both sides, you should have much easier access to the screws that are holding in the D5 pump. Then you will take the Allen that's provided and loosen those up as well. Once you've removed all of the screws, you can then separate the plate from the pump and separate the pump from the reservoir. Now the pump might be a little bit stuck inside of it, but just kind of give it a little bit of wiggle and a little bit of a turn and it will come right out. And this is actually a good time to inspect the O-ring that's inside as well. Make sure that it doesn't have any rips or tears in it, and then you know, inspect the inside as well. Make sure there's no cracks or anything funky going on the inside there. And then you're pretty much good to go. If you'd like, you can take out this the fitting, the stop plug here. If you'd like to, you know, clean it or flush it out or anything like that. This one has like a little bit of gunk that we could clean off here, you know, with a Q-tip and whatnot. But beyond that, that's pretty much it. You break it down to all of the pieces that you see here, and you're pretty much good to go when it comes to cleaning and disassembly.